Welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about users and how users are managed in Virtuemart. All of these users that you see here actually are imported from Joomla itself. So when somebody comes to your site, they need to log in. Now, since I already have a user ID and password, I can log in with it. And this vDashic username will be reflected right here. As you can see, I have 3 different accounts, but the username has to be unique. The full name can be the same, but the username has to be different from one another. Obviously, you can enable or disable, remove these accounts as you wish by simply clicking on the trash bin. User groups, you have admin, store admin, shopper, and demo. The admin obviously has the full control of the site, store admin only certain aspects of the site. You will not be using this heavily in your day-to-day management of the Virtuemart site. You can require fields for users. You can show these fields in the registration form. It is a pretty straight process. At the bottom you can go to the next page where you can have a list of various other aspects which are not required. And then you can list countries. So if you want, you can enable these countries for the business. You can list currencies that you can accept. Obviously, you have to go into the currency itself. It just gives you the actual currency name and the code. None of this really is something that you will be dealing with in a great detail. There is the list of modules. Do not play with this simply because you do not want to enable or disable these elements. As if you do so, make sure that you check all of the aspects, how it impacts your front-end website and what changes happen there. As it is set up now, this is ready for production. Check for updates will go out and allow you to check for the latest version of Virtuemart. Do not upgrade or upload patches because for those uploads you have to make sure that they're compatible with custom work that was requested in order for this website to work appropriately. There is then obviously the store aspect of it, where you can edit quite a bit of it. So if you look at the summary of the store, it will give you the actual control panel. You also have the statistics tracking here, and recent orders, etc., etc. You can edit store itself. Here you don't really want to change that many things. Of course, you can change the description of your store as you wish. And then, of course, there is the terms of service. We will continue with this video and go through rest of the items that are listed below in the next video. Thank you.